morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 13th chapter CBSE syllabus surface area and volume. In that already 7 exercises I have completed in my previous videos. This is the 8th exercise. In that 6 sums I have completed. I will continue with the 7th sum. Find the volume of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So in the question it is given surface area of sphere. So surface area of the sphere is given as 154 centimeter square. We know the formula for surface area as 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi r squared is given as 154. So when we simplify this, we will get the value for r. Radius we will get. That radius we will substitute it in the volume and find the volume. Okay, so here r squared is equal to, here we will get 4 into 22 by 7 into r squared is equal to 154. So r squared is equal to 154 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 4. When we are bringing it to the other side, it will be reciprocal. So here 22 7 times we will get. So here we will get 7 into 7 by 4. R squared is 7 into 7 by 4. So we will get r is equal to root of 7 squared by 2 squared. 4 we can write it as 2 squared. So r we will get as 7 by 2 centimeter. This is the radius. Now we will find the volume of the sphere. So volume of sphere is equal to, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, cubic units. So we will substitute r value here. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 by 2. That is 3 times. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now we will simplify this. So 7 will get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. Again this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Okay. So again this 2 and this 22 11 times it will go. So 11 into 7 77 into 7 divided by 3. So 77 into 7 is 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 4 is 53. 539 will get. The numerator is 539 divided by 3. So 539 divided by 3 is 3 1s are 3. 23 will get 3 7s are 21, 29. Then 3 9s are 27. So 2 is the remainder. So here we will get the volume of the sphere as 179. If we write it in the fraction, mixed fraction, we will get 729 2 by 3 centimeter cube. So question is given in centimeter. So the volume of the sphere, we got it as 179 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Next sum is, a dome of a building is in a form of a hemisphere. So a dome of a building is in a form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96 rupees. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome and volume of air inside the dome. So for finding volume we need radius. So for finding the radius only this information is given. That is surface area of the dome is given. From that we will find the radius and substitute it in the volume formula. Okay. So the first thing is cost of whitewashing per meter square is rupees 2. Cost of whitewashing per meter square is equal to rupees 2. Then cost of whitewashing total area is equal to rupees 498.96. Therefore area whitewashed is equal to, so this is the total cost, 498 rupees 96 paise is the total cost, and this 2 rupees is the cost per meter square. So when we divide this, we will get the area whitewashed. So 498.96 divided by 2. So when we simplify this, we will get 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, point 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 249. It is not rupees, this is the area whitewashed. 249.48 meter squared of per meter. So, meter squared of area is whitewashed. Okay, so we divide the total cost by cost per meter squared. We will get the area whitewashed. Then next one is volume of the air inside the dome. So for finding the volume we need radius. So for finding the radius we will take this area, that is area of the hemisphere, surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 249.48 meter square. So we know the formula for the curved surface area is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r squared is equal to 249.48. So r squared is equal to 249.48 into this 2 will be 1 by 2 into this 22 by 7. Here we will take it as 7 by 20. So this is equal to 249.48 divided by 44. 2 into 22 is 44. When we divide this, we will get 5.67 into this 7 is there. So r squared is this. So r is equal to root of this 567. I am writing it as 567 into 7 by 100. So when we find the factors of this 567, we can write it as 7 into 3 power 4 into 7 by 100. So this is equal to root of 7 squared into 3 power 4. So when we simplify this, when we find the square root of that, we will get that as 3 power 2 into 7 by 10. So this is 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are 63. 63 by 10, that is equal to 6.3 meter. So this is the radius. So radius we got it as 6.3 meter. Now we have to find the volume of that. Okay. So this is the curved surface area. Now we will find the volume of this. Volume of the air inside this. Volume of the air inside the dome. So volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius we got it as 63 by 10, that is 6.3. So we will write it as it is 63 by 10 into 63 by 10 into 63 by 10. So now this one if we simplify, 7 9s are 63, then 3 3s are 9. The denominator we will get 1000. So 2 into 22 is 44 into 3 into 63 into 63. So when we simplify this, we will get the answer as 523.9 meter cube approximately. 523.9 meter cube approximately. So when we multiply this and divide it by 1000. Okay. Next sum is 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius of the new sphere and ratio of s and s dash. Okay. So when we melt and recast into another shape, both the volume will be same. Okay. So for finding the radius of the new sphere, we will take 27 solid spheres. So 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r. So for the solid sphere, I am taking the volume as 4 by 3 pi small r cube. And surface area s are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Okay, so when I combine 27 solid iron spheres, I am getting a new solid sphere of radius r. I am taking it as capital R. I am taking it as R dash cube. Okay, so now if I simplify this, I have to get the radius R dash for the new sphere. So in this 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled. So here I will get 27 R cube is equal to R1 cube. Okay, so R1 is equal to cube root of 27 R cube. So cube root of 27 is 3 cube is 27. R cube is cube root of R cube is R. So new R1, that is R dash will get, that is R dash is the radius of the new sphere. So radius of the new sphere, I will get it as 3R. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of R cube is R. So the new sphere, for the new sphere, the radius, I get it as 3 times of R. First question over. Then second one is ratio of S and S dash. Surface area of, so surface area of sphere S. Okay, then surface area of S dash is equal to, we know the surface area is 4 pi R square. So this is 4 pi R square divided by, for this S dash, radius is R dash. So that is 4 pi R dash square. 4 pi R dash square. So we know that R dash is equal to 3 times of R. So this 4 pi and 4 pi will get cancelled. So R square divided by, for R1 it is 3R. So 3R, for this R dash I am substituting 3R, the whole square. So this is equal to R squared by 3 squared is 9, R squared is R squared. So R squared and R squared will get cancelled and get 1 by 9. So the ratio of surface area of S and S dash is 1 by 9. 1 is to 9. Okay. Now 10th sum. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. How much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill this capsule? So diameter is given. Diameter is equal to 3.5. So radius is equal to 3.5 by 2. 3.5 by 2. This one I am writing it as 35 by 20. That is equal to, if I simplify, I will get 7 by 4 millimeter. Now volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 4 3 times. So now if I simplify, 7 will get cancelled. This 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Then 2. 11 times. So 11 into 7 into 7. So 11 into 7 7s are 49 by 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 11 into 49. So 49 into 11 is 49, 49. So 539. So 539 divided by 24. So when I simplify this, I will get 22.46 millimeter cube. So this much medicine is needed to fill the capsule. That is 22.46 millimeter cube of medicine is needed to fill this capsule. Okay. So with this, I am completing this exercise. This chapter is over. Surface area volume. 8 exercises are there. I have completed all the 8 exercises. Now in the next class, I will be doing a new chapter. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.